12 megapixel Panasonic GH1 is actually a little bit smaller than most DSLRs. That's because it doesn't have a mirror box inside. But with its lens, it actually becomes a much bigger camera and isn't any less heavier or less cumbersome than the average digital SLR camera. On the back of the camera, there's a LCD screen that actually can flip out and spin around in a couple of different angles. You can also totally spin it around so you can just slap it back on and it protects itself. The side of the camera has an HDMI port for plugging it into HD TVs. It also has a USB port for plugging it into computers and a microphone input. The user interface is identical to the user interface on Panasonic point-and-shoot cameras. This camera can record high-definition video in a lot of different formats. It does a great job. You can do 720p at 30 frames per second in motion JPEG, or you can flip into AVC HD, which has less compression, and the video looks great. You can do 1080p 24 or 720p at 60 frames per second. Now here's some actual video from the camera. This camera can focus just like a consumer camcorder. Right now we're in continuous focus, where it can keep refocusing on moving subjects. It does it without any noise coming from the lens either. It's silent. So you can see everything's in focus right now. But it can also focus like a professional camcorder. Right now we're still in continuous. Both subjects are in focus. But then we can control the aperture. Right now, the depth of field is in front of us, but now we put it in the background. As you can see, the background is in focus right now, and the foreground is in soft focus. But now we can go ahead and switch back to what's right in front of us to be in focus and put the background into soft focus. This is PJ Jacobowitz for PCMag.com.